I did a video how to open the fuel door on this S60, and was just basically showing that there is a small black trap just here, and this is opening and releasing the door. And I have an V70 here. It's pretty much different. Well, the door is the same idea, but to access it, basically you need to flip the rear seats back, and then this big cover here, I think there's another piece of trim here, this guy perhaps, more or less. Maybe this is the other side. Yeah, this guy sits in there. I'm guessing you are going to pull on this and it's engaged at the bottom, so you just flip it like that, or maybe even remove it altogether. And this guy here, when you flip the seats, notice there is a small cover, and behind it's a 10mm bolt. So remove that bolt from there, and then gently, especially in winter time, you may break some things. It's basically just clipped in there. There's one clip here, and then there's these clips all along. So that's how it sits in there. There's 3 clips, 4 with the small one, and then also you have a pin here. Which one? It's already broken. Is this pin? This is just to center it basically. So careful not to break it, because it's going to rattle afterwards. And once you just pull gently here, again, notice how this guy breaks very easily, and flip it just like that. It may drop, but basically it's engaged with these tabs here, and then with the hook. So you are going to put it back, just pass it over that hook and engage here like this. And then you have this soundproof trim, which has 3 clips like that. You just depress on both sides and pull. There's one there, another one here, careful not to lose them, and the 3rd one there. And then you don't have to pull on this trim on the side. Basically you just carefully maybe detach it a little bit and just slide it out. I don't think it's attached behind this guy here, so shouldn't be a problem. Maybe bend it like this, leave it like that. That's the small plastic tab that you really need just to pull like this, and that will unlock the fuel door. Now this one, it's broken. I think they broke these hinges here, but I suggest usually the small motor inside goes bad. Try to reach here and to detach the this cable, the connector. It's really nasty because you have this clip, which is easy, but there's another one just behind it, and you have to reach somehow to it and leave it like that. Maybe that's how I do in my car. I didn't replace it, it's just I don't really care about it.